Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you bridge course test number 1, standard 6, subject English, and marks of this test is of 20 marks. So मी एक्सप्लेनेशन तर मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये दिले आहे. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण आन्सर्स बघणार आहोत आणि ते आन्सर्स कशी आली याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन बघणार आहोत. तर लेट स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज write the following words in a correct alphabetical order. In this question you have to do words in correct alphabetical order. We have A. There are 4 words in the A. The words are clap, cat, coffee, cash. So in these 4 words we have to do correct alphabetical order. So the answer of these is cash, cat, clap, coffee. This is the answer of first, and the answer of the second. In question first, that are 4 words are given: bat, boat, pad, sad, and the answer of this is bat, boat, pad, sad. Question second, write the related words with garden. We have to write related words with a garden. That are many words are related to garden, but we have to write only 4 words, that are grass, plant, tree, flowers, etc. You have to write only 4 words of 1 mark. This is of 1 mark. Question third is choose the correct alternative for the following. My school is very dash dash. Here we have to choose correct alternative for my school is very big. You can write as my school is very large, my school is very beautiful. There are many words for this, so you have to choose that of your choice. I have written my school is very big. So the question 4, complete the dialogue by choosing the correct options. Options are given: A, B, C, D. A option is where, when. B, how, would. C, what, when. And D, who, how. So we have to choose correct option, and here are the dialogues. So we can write as: A said that where is your school? B, it is near my house. A said, when do you go to school? Then question 5th, which word rhymes with cold? We know that which are the rhyming words. For example, can, man, all, fall. In this way we have to write the word rhymes with cold. So options are given. There are 4 options are given: cool, told, right, ill. And we have to choose the correct rhyme with cold. That is the answer is options B, told. Question 6 is write 5 to 6 sentences on the topic my friend. Use the following words that are given below: 12 years, name, like or dislikes, school, father, mother, best or clever. We have given these words which are 12 years, name, like or dislike, and we have to write 5 to 6 sentences on the topic my friend, and we have to use the following words for that. So wrote in this way: my friend name is dash dash. You can write your friend name. She is 12 years old. म्हणजे ती 12 वर्षाची आहे. She likes ice cream and chocolates. म्हणजे तिला आईस्क्रीम आणि चॉकलेट्स आवडतात. She is my school. ती माझ्या शाळेमध्ये आहे. We are in a same standard. ती आणि मी एकाच स्टँडर्डमध्ये आहेत. Her parents are very understanding. तिचे आई वडील खूप समजूतदार आहे. शी इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ती माझी बेस्ट फ्रेंड आहे. शी इज क्लेवर. ती खूप हुशार आहे. शी इज अ टॉपर ऑफ माय क्लास. ती माझ्या क्लासची टॉपर आहे. या प्रकारे तुम्ही तुमच्या माय फ्रेंडविषयी लिहायचे आहेत. देन क्वेश्चन 7th, ऑब्झर्व द पिक्चर्स अँड राईट द ॲक्शन वर्ड्स. Here you have to write the action words for the 4th pictures given below. First one is parrot, second soap, third kite, and 4th one is the football. So the answer of the question 7 is, we can write as first parrot, that is speak or fly. Soap is equal to bath. Kite is equal to fly. Football is equal to play. Means we have to just write action words of this 4th picture. So question 8, complete the following sentences by putting proper words. Only you have to put proper words in the given sentences. First one is mango is, so you can write as mango is very tasty. You can write as mango is a fruit king. You can also write as a mango is delicious. That means your choice. You have to write only proper words to form a meaningful sentences. Sentence number 2 is my house is very dangerous. So I wrote my house is very big. You can write as my house is very beautiful. My house is very large. You can write so many things, but you have to write meaningful words. So these are the sentences I wrote. Mango is very tasty and my house is very big. Question number 9, write the name of the following things shown in the figure. Means the things which are present in the figure, you have to write the name of the things. So the answer of the question 9 is swing, children, dogs, slides, merry-go-round, dustbin, cans, etc. Question 10, complete the letter by using the following words from the bracket. So the words are given are corona, online, later, home, fine. We have words and we have to complete the letter by using these words. Here is the letter with a blank space. Now we have to put the meaningful word at right place. So the answer of the question 10 will be dear Yash, how are you? म्हणजे तू कसा आहेस. आय थिंक यू आर फाईन म्हणजे तू चांगला असेल असं मला वाटतं. आय एम ॲट होम म्हणजे मी घरी आहे. देर इज नो स्कूल बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना. कोरोनामुळे आता शाळा बंद आहे. माय ऑनलाईन क्लास स्टार्टेड एस्टरडे म्हणजे कालपासून माझे ऑनलाईन क्लासेस सुरू झाली आहेत. राईट मी अ लेटर म्हणजे मला पत्र लिही. Question number 11, match the pair of antonyms. There are two columns given, A and B. In A column there are 4 words and B column also there are 4 words. We have to match the pair of antonyms. So the first is tall. The antonym of tall will be short. Good, the antonym of good will be bad. Third, run. The antonym of the run is stop. And the last one, fourth, happy. The antonym of happy is sad. दॅट मीन्स टॉल शॉर्ट म्हणजे उंच ठेंगणा. गुड बॅड म्हणजे चांगला वाईट. रन स्टॉप म्हणजे धावणे आणि थांबणे. आणि लास्ट हॅप्पी सॅड म्हणजे हॅप्पी म्हणजे आनंदी, सॅड म्हणजे दुःखी, असं याचा मिनिंग आहे. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 आहे चूज द करेक्ट सिनोनिम्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम द ब्रॅकेट. हिअर वी हॅव टू करेक्ट synonyms from the bracket. So first is close म्हणजे बंद and we have in the bracket open, throw, shut. So the meaning of close will be shut. So the answer of this is shut. Second, possible means शक्यता. So the synonyms of possible will be important. In this way we have to write the correct synonyms from the bracket. We have written close is equal to shut and possible is equal to important. Let's move towards the question number 13. Choose the correct option from the bracket. Here also we have to choose correct option from the bracket. First, a place where you can play. Options are home, ground. The answer of this first is a place where you can play is ground. Second, a place where you can learn. So the option are school and hospital. The answer of this is a place where you can learn is school. The last question of our question paper is question number 14. Put the following words in your proper column. So here 2 columns are there, noun and verb. Noun means now आणि verb means क्रियापद. Here the columns are 2 columns are given and words are also given. Words are take, tiger, monkey, cut, chop, school, and we have to write following words in the proper column. So firstly we will put the words in the noun column. So the answer of this first column will be nouns are tiger, monkey, school. And answer in the column B will be, that is verb is take, cut and chop. So in this way we complete the question number 14, and this is our last question of the bridge cross test 1 standard of 6th. So we completed it. and friends, एक्सप्लेनेशन आणि उत्तरे दोघं सांगितले मी, आणि फक्त एक्सप्लेनेशन हवं असेल तर त्याची लिंक मी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये देईल. जर तुम्हाला याची हँड रिटन PDF स्वरूपात हवी असेल तर तुम्ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिलेल्या मेलवर मेल पाठवू शकतात, आणि इतर काही डाऊट्स असतील, प्रश्न असतील, काही समजलं नसेल तर तेही विचारू शकतात. आणि चॅनलवर नवीन असाल, अजूनपर्यंत सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकन प्रेस करा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन इझिली अवेलेबल होतील. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा, तुमच्या वर्गमित्रांनासुद्धा शेअर करा, जेणेकरून त्यांनासुद्धा याची मदत घेता येईल. व विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, काही चुकलं असेल तर हरकत तुम्ही मला सांगू शकतात की हे तुमचं इथं चुकलं आहे. I will never mind. So friends, best luck for your bright future and stay connected to me.